Hey there, Amex point collectors. If you've been earning membership rewards points but aren't sure how to get maximum value from them, this video is about to change your game completely. Most people redeem their Amex points for statement credits at just 0.6 cents per point, but I'm about to show you how the pros get 2, 3, even 5 plus cents per point value. Today, we're diving deep into 4 real-world examples of pro-level Amex point redemptions. We'll cover the best transfer partners for different types of travel, how to find sweet spot award bookings, the exact steps to make these transfers, and insider tricks that can double or triple your point value, from economy flights to first-class luxury, domestic getaways to international adventures. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to redeem your Amex points like the travel hacking pros do. So grab your laptop, open up your Amex account, and let's turn those points into incredible travel experiences. Understanding Amex membership rewards. Before we jump into the specific examples, let's establish the foundation of Amex point redemptions. American Express membership rewards is one of the most flexible point programs in the world, but it's also one of the most misunderstood. Most people think Amex points are worth about 1 cent each because that's what you get when you redeem for statement credits or gift cards. But the real value comes from transfer partners, airlines, and hotels where you can often get 2, 5 cents per point in value, sometimes even more. Key transfer partners: airlines, Delta, Air France, KLM, British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, ANA, Singapore Airlines, and more hotels. Hilton, Marriott, limited transfers, choice hotels, transfer ratio. Most transfers are 1, meaning 1 Amex point equals sign, 1 airline mile or hotel point. Instead of redeeming points directly through Amex Travel, which gives about 1 cent per point, transfer them to partners where award availability and redemption rates can give you 3-5x more value. Now let's look at 4 real-world examples that show you exactly how this works. Example #1, domestic first class on Delta, 3.5 cents per point value. You want to fly from New York to Los Angeles in Delta One, first class, for a special occasion. The cash price for this flight is typically $1,200, $1,500. The cash price reality, Delta One, JFK LAX, $1,400. Regular economy, $350. The upgrade premium, $1,050. The points redemption, transfer Amex points to Delta SkyMiles at 1 ratio Delta One. Award ticket, $40,000, $50,000. SkyMiles plus taxes, $50. The math, points needed, 45,000 Amex points. Cash value, $1,400. Point value, $1. 400 divided 45,000 equals 3. 1 cents per point. You saved $1,350 in cash. Pro tips for this redemption: timing matters. Delta releases award space about 11 months out. Book early for better availability. Flexible dates. Use Delta's award calendar to find lower mileage dates. Route optimization. Sometimes connecting flights require fewer miles than nonstops. Sweet spot alert: Tuesday and Wednesday departures often have better award availability. Search for award availability on delta.com. Note the required miles and dates. Log into your Amex account, go to membership rewards, use points. Transfer to travel partners, select Delta SkyMiles, and transfer the required points. Wait 48 hours for transfer to complete. Book the award ticket on delta.com. When this makes sense, you're flying a premium cabin you wouldn't normally pay for. You have a specific date that works with award availability. The cash price is high, over $1,000 for domestic first class. You value the experience of premium travel. Example 2, international economy to Europe via Air France, KLM 2.8 cents per point value. The scenario: you're planning a summer trip to Paris and want to avoid the $800, $1,200 economy ticket prices during peak season. The cash price reality: round trip economy, NYC, Paris in summer, $1,100. Same ticket in shoulder season, $650. Peak season premium, $450. The points redemption, transfer Amex points to Air France, KLM flying. Blue round trip economy award, $40,000, 50,000 miles plus $200 in taxes. The math, points needed, 45,000 Amex points. Cash value, $1,100. Taxes, fees, $200. Net savings, $900. Point value, $900. 45,000 equals sign 2.0 cents per point. Total value including saved cash, 2.4 cents per point. Why Air France, KLM flying blue is amazing: no fuel surcharges. On their own flights, you only pay airport taxes. Monthly promo awards. They regularly offer 25% discounts on specific routes. Flexible stopover rules, free stopovers in Paris or Amsterdam. Partner access, book on Delta, Virgin Atlantic, and other SkyTeam partner promo awards. Check monthly for discounted redemptions to your destination positioning flights. Sometimes flying to a nearby city first can save thousands of miles. Mixed cabin, book economy outbound. Business return for asymmetric value, error fares. Flying Blue occasionally has pricing mistakes that favor award bookings. Create a Flying Blue account at a transfer points from Amex, instant transfer to Flying Blue Book. Immediately after transfer completes, consider adding a stopover in Paris or Amsterdam for no extra miles. Flying Blue uses dynamic pricing, so awards can be cheaper or more more expensive than the standard charts. Always compare multiple dates and consider their monthly promo awards. Example 3. Luxury hotels with Hilton honors. The scenario: you want to stay at a luxury Hilton property for a special anniversary. The Conrad Maldives, for example, can cost $800, $500 plus per night in cash. The cash price reality: Conrad Maldives Water Villa, $1 $200 night total for 5 nights, $6,000 resort fees and taxes, $300. The points redemption: transfer Amex. Points to Hilton honors at 1:2 ratio. 1 Amex point equals 2 Hilton points. Conrad Maldives award night, 95,000 Hilton points per night. The math: points needed, 47,500 Amex points per night. X 5 nights equals 237,500 Amex points. Cash value saved, $6,000. Point value, $6,000. 237,500 equals 2.5 cents per point. You saved approximately $5,700 after factoring in taxes still owed. Why Hilton transfers can be golden. 2. 1 transfer ratio: your Amex points double when transferred. No blackout dates. If a room is available, you can book it with points 5th night free. When booking 5+ nights, the 5th night is free on awards, diamond status, benefits, free breakfast, upgrades, late checkout resort credits. Many luxury properties offer resort credits even on award stays. Seasonal pricing: Hilton award nights are fixed rate, but cash prices fluctuate wildly. Property selection: focus on expensive properties where point values are highest. Elite benefits: combine with Hilton diamond status for maximum value 5th night strategy. Always book 5+ nights when possible for the free night. Research expensive Hilton properties in your desired destination. Check availability and pricing on Hilton.com. Compare cash rates versus award rates across different dates. Transfer Amex points to Hilton 1:2 ratio. Instant transfer. Book the award stay immediately. Consider extending to 5 nights for the free night benefit. The sweet spot for Hilton transfers is luxury resorts during peak seasons when cash rates are highest. Properties like Conrad Bora Bora, Waldorf Astoria Maldives, and Conrad Tokyo can deliver exceptional value. Example 4. Premium international travel with ANA, 6 cents per point value. The scenario: you've always dreamed of flying first class to Japan, but the $6,000, $12,000 ticket price seems impossible. Enter ANA Mileage Club, one of the best kept secrets in award travel. The cash price reality: first class round trip to Japan, $8,000, $12,000. Business class, $4,000, $6,000 economy, $800, $1,200. The points redemption: transfer Amex points to ANA Mileage Club round trip first class to Japan, 120,000, 150,000 ANA miles plus $, 400 taxes, points needed, 130,000 Amex points, cash value $10,000. Average first class price, point value $10,000, 130,000 equals 7.7 cents per point. You saved $9,600. Why ANA is the holy grail sweet spot pricing. Their award chart has incredible deals that other programs can't match. Star Alliance access. Book on United, Lufthansa, Air Canada, and 20+ other airlines. No fuel surcharges. On many partner airlines, generous routing rules, stopovers, and open jaws allowed. Availability: often better than booking directly with partner airline. US to Japan first class, 120,000 miles round trip. US to Europe business class, 88,000 miles round trip round the world tickets, starting at 125,000 miles. US to Southeast Asia. Excellent value in all cabins. ANA's website can be challenging to navigate, and you must call to book many partner awards, but the value is worth the extra effort. Step-by-step process. Create an ANA Mileage Club account. Research availability using ANA's website or partner airline sites. Call ANA's US office to book complex routings or partner awards. Complete the booking once points are in your ANA account. Prepare for an incredible travel experience. Mixed cabin awards. Combine business and first class for better availability. Positioning flights. Sometimes flying to Vancouver or Seattle first saves miles. Stopover planning. Include a free stopover in Tokyo on your way to Southeast Asia. Advanced planning. ANA opens award space 355 days out. Book early. Advanced tip: ANA allows round-the-world awards starting at 125,000 miles. You can visit multiple continents for the same points as a round-trip first-class ticket to one destination. Comparing redemption values. The big picture. Let's put these examples in perspective. Statement credit gift cards. Value 0.6, 1.0 cents per point. Effort, minimal experience, just saves money. Amex Travel. Portal. Value 1.0, 1.1 cents per point. Effort, low experience, standard travel booking. Transfer partner awards. Value 1.5-6+ cents per point. Effort, moderate to high experience. Premium travel at fraction of cost. The opportunity cost. If you have 100,000 Amex points, statement credit $600, $1,000. Transfer partners $1,500, $6.00.